Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see who unsubscribed from your Beehiiv newsletter, and we'll do it in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned newsletter creator or just starting out, keeping track of your subscribers is key to growing and engaging your audience. First, open your web browser and head over to the Beehiiv homepage. If you're not already logged in, click the login button at the top right and choose your preferred sign-in method. For simplicity, I'm going to use Google. If you're already signed in, you'll get instant access. If not, just enter your Google credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the segmentation tab. This is where the magic happens. Click Create Segment and give your segment a clear, memorable name, like Unsubscribed Users. This will make it super easy to find later. Next, select the static option. This ensures your list stays consistent until you decide to update it manually. Now, move to Define Conditions. Click Plus Condition, then go to Attribute and select Status on the right. Choose Inactive. This captures all the subscribers who've opted out. Finally, hit Save Segment. And that's it. You now have a dedicated list of unsubscribed users. From here, you can monitor trends, understand why people leave, and improve your newsletter content to keep your audience engaged. Keeping track of your subscribers is a simple but powerful step toward growing your newsletter. Thanks for watching, and happy newsletter managing.